sing every song it hears. My heart wants to beat like the wings of the birds that arise from the lakes to the trees. My heart wants to sigh like a chime that flies from the church to the breeze, to laugh like a brook when it drips and falls over stones in its way, to sing through the night like a lark who is learning to pray. I go to the hills when my heart is lonely. I know I will hear what I've heard before. My heart will be best